Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Sam with Design and Flow, and in this video we're going to be going over how to integrate Calendly into your WordPress site for effortless scheduling. If you're tired of the back and forth emails trying to set up meetings with your clients, then this one's for you. Let's hop in. Alright, so the first thing that you want to do is head on over to calendly.com and make an account. We can set up an account with either Google or Microsoft, or if you have a different email, you can sign up with a different email. I have Google, so we're just going to sign up with Google. Once you get to this screen, just type in your Google credentials. And your password. And click Next. Accept the privacy policy and the terms of service, and you are good to go. Calendly also syncs with your Google Calendar. That way, whenever someone books a meeting, it shows up right on your Google Calendar instantly. So we're going to allow this. Once you're inside Calendly, it takes you straight to the Event Types tab. This shows you all of your event types that you have, whether it be an interview, an intro call, a meeting. You can customize the duration, the location, and any questions that you want to ask in this tab. Take a note, with the free plan of Calendly, you only get one event type unless you upgrade to standard, which is a paid plan. The free plan is great if you're a business that only needs one event type for their meetings. So let's go in and edit our events. Once you click your event, you will see all these options: event details, host and invitees, scheduling settings, booking page options, and communications. We're going to adjust the event details. So we click event details, and you can change the event name. I'm going to call mine Discovery Call. You can change the duration, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 60 minutes, and custom. I'm just going to leave it at 30. You can also set the location for the meeting, so whether that be a Zoom call, phone call, in-person meeting, and there's also other options like Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, WebEx, and GoToMeetings. You can also write a brief description, that way the person that's booking the meeting knows what the meeting is about. This is a brief meeting to discuss how to make more money. Let's go. Once you're done editing the event details, you can just click Save and Close. Next, we're going to edit our host and invitees settings. So we're going to click on the Host and Invitees tab, and on this screen, you will see the host of the meeting, which is you, and another setting for the invitees, allowing them to invite guests as well to the meeting. If you don't want the invitee to be able to invite guests, just tick this box off and save and close. Next up, we're going to edit our scheduling settings. You can also adjust the date range of when people can book a meeting. So if you don't want someone to book 6 months into the future on your calendar, you can adjust that setting here. So we're just going to change this to 14 days. You can either do 14 calendar days, or you can do 14 weekdays, only Monday through Friday. We're going to do weekdays. You can also change your available hours and days just by clicking on your schedule. Just click the check boxes on the days that you're available and the times that you're available, and click Save and Close. You can also set up a buffer time, that way you're not going back to back to back with meetings, and you can actually set up some before and after time that you need before you get ready for your next meeting. So before, I usually like to give myself about 10 minutes, and after I also do 10 minutes. You can also set a minimum notice of time before a meeting can happen, that way you have time to prepare for the meeting. Ours is set to 4 hours by default, but you can change this to minutes, hours, days, whatever works for your schedule. You can also set the daily limit of how many meetings you want to take in a day. If you want to take as many meetings as possible, or if you only want to handle 4, you can change that setting with the daily limit setting. You can set that to, I only want to do 4 meetings today. You can also display the time zone of the invitee, or you can set the time zone of your local time whenever someone's booking a meeting with the time zone display setting. Automatically detect and show the times in my invitee's time zone, or lock the time zone, which is best for in-person events. We're just going to leave it at the default. You can also change the start time increments. So if you want it to start at 8, 8:30, 9, 9:30, 10, you can just leave it at the default of 30 minutes. Or you can change the available start times in increments of 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 45 minutes, or a custom time. Once you're done setting up your scheduling settings, just click Save and Close. Next, we have booking page options. With booking page options, you can actually change the event link to whatever you want. So if you want your link to be calendly.com/your name/discovery call, you can do that as well. Before anyone ever books a meeting, you can actually set preset questions for them to answer before the meeting starts. That way you have a better understanding about who they are. By default, you have name and email, allow invitees to add guests, and Q1 is please share anything that will help prepare for the meeting. You can edit the meeting by pressing the three dots on the right hand side and clicking edit. You can also make a question required and the type, whether it be one line, multiple lines, radio buttons, checkboxes, drop downs, or phone number. To add a new question, all you have to do is click Add New Question, and you'll be prompted with a box pop up allowing you to ask more questions. You can also collect payments on the form to take the meetings, but this is also a premium feature that you'll have to pay for. By default, after booking, it displays the Calendly confirmation page, but if you decide that you want to pay for the pro version, you can actually redirect someone to an external landing page if you would like. Once we're done here, all we have to do is click Save and Close. In the free plan, the only communication that you get is the calendar invitation that it sends to the invitee. You can edit what it says by clicking Edit, changing the title, the body, and that is all that you get within the free plan. If you choose to upgrade to the pro version, you actually get some more features for communications such as email reminders, text message reminders, and email follow-up. When you're done here, just click Save and Close. Once you're done editing your event, all you have to do is click Share, Add to Website, Inline Embed, click Copy Code. The code will be copied to your clipboard, and we can head on over to Elementor now and embed it onto the page. So now that we're in Elementor, you're going to take the custom code that you copied in Calendly and add it to an HTML block in Elementor. So let's search for the HTML block. HTML, so we're going to drag this in here, and you're going to paste with Control V or right click and paste. And there is your calendar from Calendly. Click Publish to save the changes. And let's take a preview. All right, and there it is. There is your scheduler, name, email, and the questions, and they can go ahead and schedule the event. And that's how we integrate Calendly into an Elementor WordPress site. If you guys found this video valuable, please give us a like and subscribe to support the channel. And if you want more website tips from Design and Flow, be sure to download our free 10 must-haves for a high-converting website checklist. The link is in the description. As always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to design and flow.